Can LLC partners be on payroll? No. Partners in an LLC taxed as a partnership are not considered employees, so they cannot be on payroll or receive W-2 wages. Instead, they take guaranteed payments or draws, which are subject to self-employment taxes. This is the default setup for most multi-member LLCs. For example, if two partners form an LLC and split profits equally, they would each take distributions or guaranteed payments from the business rather than a paycheck. These payments are reported on their personal tax returns. If the LLC elects to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation, then partners who actively work in the business can be treated as employees and paid through payroll with W-2 wages. This approach can sometimes reduce tax liability if managed correctly. Zen Business can help you choose the right tax election and set up payroll properly for LLC owners. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.